Want to know what your marketing isn't bringing results? Hi, I'm Sophia, product manager at Molfario, and in this video, I'll break down the biggest mistake businesses make, show you the exact step to fix them, and how to strategically choose the right channels to scale your business. Here is the problem. Most businesses jump on the latest trend hoping it will grow their brand. But here is the truth. Most channels don't even match their business goals. You can't pick the right channel if you don't know where your target audience spend their time. So first, dive into your analytics. Look at where your traffic comes from and which platforms drive real engagement, not just likes but actual clicks, sign-ups, and sales. Data is your best friend. Don't just assume where your audience is. Look at real numbers. After you know where your audience is, it's time to test the right channels. But instead of being everywhere at once, start small. Pick 2 or 3 platforms that align with your audience. Run small target campaigns. This could be organic traffic, paid ads, or outreach. Track conversion rates, engagement, and ROI. You don't need to post on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube at the same time because you burn out before you see results. And once you find your sweet spot, double down. If Instagram Reels are generating the most engagement, make more of them. If LinkedIn posts are getting actual clients, put more effort into LinkedIn. If your YouTube videos are ranking and driving traffic, optimize them ever further. Don't get distracted by every new social media trend. Scale with data, not hype. Too many businesses jump platforms before they even see results. They will say we tried LinkedIn but it didn't work. But in reality, they posted twice and gave up. Here is the golden rule. Stick with the platform for at least 90 days. Track what works, optimize, and improve. Most businesses waste time chasing trends instead of being strategic. The right channels is the one that aligns with your core audience and business objectives. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Check the links below and follow us on social media for more tips and updates. And if you're ready to take your startup to the next level, visit Molfario. We will help you build fast and smart. Catch you next time!